Good morning.
Today we are taking the train to my favorite town in Cinque Terre, Vernazza! Dave's got all the really good spots marked on Google Maps. Pretty excited?
Yes, we are. Enjoy. We made it to Vernazza. All right, so rather than do what we did yesterday and wait until the heat of the day to do the hard stuff, we're gonna do the hard stuff first.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see some cool viewpoints overlooking the city. It's gonna be great. I already see a lot of stairs in our future. Those hills are beautiful. The hillside vineyards, so cool. We made it to our favorite spot. You like it, Rachie? Now this guy's got it figured out. We're gonna make our way a little bit higher. You can see Monte Rosso al Mare in the distance. If you were to continue on this trail that we're on, it would take you to Cornelia.
So that is my favorite viewpoint, but we're going to go to the other side now and see it from there.
Yep, it's gonna be cool.
That's more stairs.
We're definitely starting with the good stuff this video. We're not wasting any time. We're making our way down to the city first. All right, now we've made it to the main drag. We have to go this way to go the other direction on the trail. All right, more stairs. Just a little bit farther. All right, we made it. Pretty cool. There's also a ton of swimming opportunity here. This is probably some of the best swimming in the whole of Cinque Terre. This whole area you can swim. Making our way back to the town. Taking a different way down this time. Don't you just love the colorful buildings, Rach?
Yes, and the colorful umbrellas.
And the umbrellas. That's right. Now we're gonna go into this church. Oh wow, this is very interesting. Also found some free water for later. We're gonna need it.
We found a focaccia.
Yeah, it's really good. It's like thick pizza. All right, now we're gonna make it to our last viewpoint. We're gonna go to Doria Castle.
Cool.
Lots more steps. I sure hope we're going the right way. I love all these archways, if you haven't figured that out yet. All right, more steps. And Rachel made a friend. We're almost there. Now we're looking south toward Cornelia and Manarola, I guess. You can see a little bit of Cornelia over there. All right, now we're making our way down. Now we're gonna go swimming.
You gonna go swimming?
Time to go swimming, yeah. All right, well, we're all done exploring Vernazza.
Tomorrow we head to Rio Maggiore.
So stay tuned for that footage. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. See you tomorrow.